Family owned and operated since 1985, Absolute Locksmith offers the highest quality security products at competitive prices, along with fast, friendly, dependable service. With clients ranging from a variety of corporate entities to dozens of property management companies, we take great pride in our ability to service customers with an array of specialized needs. Our services include access control, burglar alarm, home intercom, home security and integrated security systems, door locks and door repair, IP network, security and surveillance cameras, and more. We're also an authorized dealer of locks from the major brands that you trust. So for security on every level, contact Absolute Locksmith today.